Good morning, children. Chapter Surface Area and Volumes. So today we are going to learn surface area of a sphere. You have already learned the surface area of sphere in class 8. You know the radius of the sphere is a sphere means it is a shape of the ball which you are playing. You can say this is the shape of a sphere, and if the radius of the sphere is r, then the total surface area of sphere, that is only once, is equal to 4 pi r square. So therefore surface area, if you don't write the total also chalega, because it is understood it is the total surface area of the sphere. And when you cut this from here, the base will be a circle and this will be a curved portion. Therefore, when you cut this one, it will become a hemisphere. This hemisphere is sphere. This sphere you are having only curves, only one surface area, that is curved. So no need of writing any total surface area or anything. You can write down surface area of sphere. When it comes a hemisphere, it is here you see it is half. You cut like this, then it is a hemisphere. Then this part is a curved surface, and this base is coming as a circle. Therefore, if the curved surface area of hemisphere, you know this full surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. You cut it into half means this part curved surface area will become 2 pi r square, and that base is coming. Base is a circle, so that is pi r square. So when you take the total surface area of hemisphere, is this curved surface area 2 pi r squared, the base area is pi r squared, so it will become 3 pi r squared. So remember, curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r squared, total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r squared. That means you have to add the base also. Exercise 13.4. So question it is given, you take pi as 22/7 unless stated otherwise. If it is mentioned in the question, you take the other value, otherwise you have to take 22/7. Find the surface area of a sphere of radius. Radius is given 10.5 centimeter. Surface area of sphere. The formula is 4 pi r squared, 4 into 22/7 into 10.5 squared, that is 10.5 into 10.5. 3.5 into 2 is 7, 3.5 into 3 is 10.5. So it is 2 and this is 3. This will become 11. So 4 into 11 into 3 into 10.5. 4 into 11 is 44. 3 into 10.5 is. Then you have to multiply 31.5 into 44. One 1386 centimeters. So 2 and 3, 2 radius, two more questions, 2 parts are there. One is the radius is 5.6 centimeter and the second is 14 centimeter. So you do both the question as homework. Question 2. Find the surface of area of a sphere whose diameter is given. So diameter is, first one, the diameter is given 14 centimeter. You have to find out the surface area of the sphere. So radius is, you know that diameter is 2 times of the radius. Radius is diameter by 2, so 14 by 2 is 7. Then surface area of sphere is 4 pi r squared, that is 4 into 22 by 7 into r squared is 7 into 7, 1 7 is cancelled. So it is 88 into 7. This is the surface area of the sphere. This question also, there are 2 more parts. One diameter is given 21 centimeter, second diameter is given 3.5 centimeter. So you can do by yourself. Substitute the value and find out. Question number 3. Total surface area of hemisphere, the radius is given 10 centimeter and here it is given use pi as 3.14. So total surface area of hemisphere, the formula you remember, that is 3 pi r squared. 3 into pi value is 3.14, r squared is 10 into 10. So when you multiply by 100, this will become 340. (942 centimeter square). Fourth one, the radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter as air is being pumped into it. So balloon, the radius was 7 centimeter. When the air is pumped, that 7 centimeter radius, it increased to 14 centimeter. Find the ratio of the surface areas of the balloon in 2 cases. So case 1, the radius is 7 centimeter. Surface area of balloon is 4 pi r squared. So we are going to find out the ratio. So I am not going to multiply with the 4 pi. So here 4 pi into 7 squared centimeter squared. Then case 2, the radius is 14 centimeter. Then this is S1. Then surface area of balloon is 4 pi r squared. This is 4 pi into 14 squared. That much of centimeter squared. So you need to find out the ratio of the surface areas. So S1 by S2 is 4 pi into 7 by 4 into pi into 14 into 14. This will be cancelled. 7 2, 7 2. So it is 1 by 4. Then the ratio of the surface area is 1:4. I have not multiplied because we are comparing and taking the ratio, this 4 pi from the numerator and denominator can be cancelled. Otherwise you are multiplying, finding out the answer, here also multiplying, finding out the answer, then dividing, the calculation will become long. Question number 5. A hemispherical bowl made up of brass has inner diameter 10.5 centimeter. Cost of inflating it on the inside at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeters square. So you need to find out inner curved surface area. So inner diameter is given 10.5 centimeter, then the radius is 10.5 by 2. So inner surface area 4 pi, it is a hemispherical bowl, so it is 2 pi r squared. This bowl, inside the bowl means it's only the surface area. So it is 2 pi r squared, 2 into, it is not given in the question, okay, you have to use this pi r's, 22 by 7, the radius is 10.5 by 2 into 10.5 by 2. Here this 2 and 2 cancel, 3.5 into 2 is 7, 3.5 into 3 is this 2 and 2 cancel, 11. So it is 11 into 3 into 10.5 by 2. So that is 33 into this one 5.25. This is the inner surface area. You need to find out this one cost of tin plating it at the rate of tin plating. Rate of tin plating is rupees 16 per 100 centimeters square. Therefore, a rate of tin plating the bowl base curved surface area 33 into 5.25 into this much of this is centimeter square into 16 by 100. So it is into 16 by 100. So you have to multiply only. See 5.25 into 33. Into 16. 17325 into 16. First this point, this is coming here, so already here, so it is 2772 by 100, so it is 27.72 rupees. So cost of tin plating the hemispherical bowl is 27.2. First you have to find out the inner curved surface area, then you have to multiply with the rate of tin plating it. So you are getting the rate of tin plating the bowl is 27.72.